We have a short with 1 million views. We have a short with 300,000 views. And we also have a short with 100,000 views. And we have a lot of other shorts that have over 50,000 views. And we have made amount of money so far. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I tried YouTube Shorts for 30 days. And I did get monetized actually in the 30-day period. And I'm going to be showing you guys how much money I made in that 30-day period and if it's worth it to start shorts and everything else you need to know. So before we even start, I'm going to first show you guys how monetization actually works. So you can see I am monetized right here. I have watch page ads, I have shorts, feeds ads, I have a couple more stuff. Okay, let's say I go to my other accounts. The requirements to join is 1,000 subscribers and then either 4,000 watch hours in the past 365 days. So like, watch hours is like how much people watch your videos, like for how many hours, and then, or either 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days. So that's a lot harder, and I did manage to get monetized through shorts. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I did that. Another thing that can make you earn a lot more money is your RPM. So as you can see, mine is extremely low. It's 1 cent. I think it's because it hasn't really processed yet. Usually on my videos, my RPM is about like 20 cents, which is actually really good for shorts. Because for long form, if you're making Minecraft long form videos, your RPM is going to be like 80 or 90 cents. But for shorts, it doesn't really depends on your niche. So like my niche is Minecraft shorts, and it says I have a 1% RPM. That's not accurate because it really hasn't updated yet. And as if we go to our audience, we can actually see. So most of our audience are male, which doesn't really matter. This is what matters right here, their age. So they're all about 18 through 44 years old, which is actually really good. And most of them are United States, which is good. But one thing that's bad is these 3 countries right here, Indonesia, India, Philippines. Those are very low costly RPMs that you're going to be getting on your videos. So, but the top, I have United States 26%. So that's really going to boost my RPM. And then I have United Kingdom, which is going to boost it a little bit. And if you don't know what RPM is, it's basically how much you get paid per 1,000 views. How YouTube Shorts ads work is that there's a creator pool. And whenever a viewer scrolls by an ad on your For You page, that money goes into the creator pool and it's given out to each creator. And it really matters. What matters the most on shorts is where your audience is from, because each country has a bigger shorts pool. And the biggest, I'm pretty sure, is United States. So you're really going to want to try to get your audience mainly from United States. And then your RPM will be really high. And basically, once everyone has that creator pool is fully filled at the end of each month, YouTube gives a small amount of portion of that money to each creator. So the more views you get, the more money you're going to get. And that's why on YouTube, shorts views really matter. Now across a 30-day period, let me show you my most popular shorts and how they managed to go viral. So this one has 1.1 million views. Don't ignore the $1 revenue, because that's obviously not accurate. You don't make $1 off of 1 million views. But if we go over to reach, you can see 75 people viewed it. That means let's say 4 people swiped onto my video, 3 of them will watch it. And anything above 75 is good. So I would say this is very good. But the thing that's even better is the average view duration. As you can see, the video is 17 seconds, but the average view duration is 23 seconds. So if we scroll down over here, people watch basically the entire video, and like some people watch it even twice. So that's really good. I think that's why this video really popped off and got 1 million views, and it brought me also 2,200 subscribers, which is really good. Now let me share how I got monetized. So as you can see, I did not reach the 10 million views in 90 days. So I decided to try to hit the 4,000 watch hours. And watch hours from shorts do not count. But then you're probably wondering, Alex, how did you get monetized without reaching 4,000 watch hours and without getting 10 million views? Well, the answer is I did automated YouTube Shorts live streams. So if we go over to these, as you can see, this live stream has absurd amount of views. Almost 2 million views on a live stream. That's just crazy good. On this one alone, we can't really see how much it got, but I'm pretty sure I have a screenshot over here. I'm pretty sure it got around 15,000 watch hours I'll pop up a screenshot on the screen. And I did a bunch of streams like this, and they all got like over 4,000 watch hours. So I was able to get monetized very quickly by doing these streams. And if you do want to learn how to make these streams, just make sure to check out my Discord. And I'm going to be creating a course on how to get monetized very quick using these kind of live streams. But the worst thing I faced across these 30 days is being stuck in the 10,000 view jail. So if we click on my videos, as you can see, 16,000 views, 15,000 views. I would consistently be stuck at anywhere from 10 to 20,000 views. And you're probably wondering, that's good. But for me, that's not good, because you only get about, let's say, 20 cents per 16,000 views. So if we go to a calculator, let me just show you. So let's say we get 15,000 views. That would be 15 times getting our 1,000 views, right? So we'll do that by my RPM, which will be 20 cents. For 15,000 views, we're only making $3. And I posted around 1 or 2 shorts a day, so I would make like $6 a day on average. But I'll show you my actual analytics at the end of the video. But yeah, I'll be stuck around the 20,000 view jail each video. Sometimes the video go a little bit past, but then it would flatline again, as you can see over here. But if we just keep scrolling down, all of these videos are like stuck at 20,000 views, and I would just keep getting videos. That's one of the huge problems that I faced. So I started posting. As you can see, this is my first video, and I got extremely lucky. So on my first day, I got 3,000 views. And on my second day, 9,000, 11,000. See? So all of these were like stuck in the 10,000 view jail. But then I started posting every day over here. And once I started posting every day over here, this short started popping off, which was my first short. Let me show it to you guys. If we click on this, it got 100,000 views. And that was insane because this is my first short that I posted. I was like genuinely surprised how this short got so much views. But the retention was good. If we go over to the engagement, 16 average view duration and the swipe rate was 70. I don't know how it blew up. It was honestly kind of bad statistics, but it did get 100,000 views. It's not really blowing up, but it's still really good. Also, if you're struggling with getting views, just make sure to check out my Discord server, and I'll teach you how to be consistent and break out of the 10,000 view jail. Another big thing you're going to want to look out while making shorts is your reach. So whenever I click on this reach, you can see 70% of people watch my videos. So a lot of people, the big mistake they make is when they just start making YouTube shorts is going to be like 30% or 40%. That's why they get like 100 views on their shorts. You really want to make the beginning of your short very eye-catching so that people will instantly want to start watching or not. If they won't start watching, they'll just swipe away, and then your short won't get any views. And then also your engagement is the second. No, actually it's the first most important thing. As you can see, my engagement was always higher than the actual video. You always want to try to make the engagement like a few seconds longer than the video. Maybe you can make it like a seamless loop or something so that people will continue watching until they realize, oh wait, this was a loop. Okay, time to scroll. So that's how you really want to maximize your reach and engagement. Alright, so after all of that, I'm going to show you how much money I made across a 30-day period. So if we click on revenue, I got monetized right here, and that's around when I stopped posting shorts. So I only made $13. But if I was monetized right here when I was making all these shorts, then I would have probably had like $2, $300 worth of shorts revenue. But let me know, guys, if I should keep posting on this channel, and let me know if you want some more videos about making Minecraft shorts, because I'm going to continue posting on this. If you're wondering how much subscribers I did get across the entire channel, I managed to hit 70,000 subscribers. And if you're wondering, oh, that's so high, you didn't even get that many viral shorts. Well, it's from the live streams. As you can see, I had a bunch of viral live streams. I had 1.3 million views, 800,000 views, 700,000 views, 350,000 views. I consistently popped off in my shorts live streams. And yeah, thanks everyone who decides to watch, and see you guys next.